It is critical to recognize that, as with any new endeavor, there will be questions and adjustments, and your mind will most likely try to talk you out of it. You will get to where you need to be with your meditation practice if you persevere and experiment. Understand that meditation is not something that will happen overnight or be automatic from the start. It takes effort and practice. Spend some time reading books or listening audio/visual tapes to familiarize yourself with the art and practice of meditation. You'll know what to expect this way. Begin to pay attention to your breathing throughout the day. Do you notice that your breath becomes shorter and more labored when you are hurried and rushed? If so, begin by concentrating on each breath, inhaling deeply through the nostrils and exhaling through the mouth. As you concentrate on your breathing, you should also notice the rise and fall of your stomach. Be deliberate in your meditation. Meditation is a skill that can be learned and practiced. It must be intentionally practiced in order to work. It does not happen by chance. For meditation, dress appropriately. If you try to squeeze in 10 minutes of meditation during your lunch break while dressed in your business skirt and heels, you will most likely be rushed and hurried. Set aside a suitable time when you can wear loose-fitting clothing and concentrate. Begin by releasing tension in all of your body's parts. Concentrate on your feet first, then move up to your ankles, and so on. Repeat until you reach the top of your head. Tightening and releasing muscles as they go along helps some practitioners become more aware of the release.
Practice your breathing techniques while also releasing tension in your body parts. This will appear difficult at first, but it will become easier with time. To relieve tension, you will be able to tighten and relax your muscles, as well as breathe in and out. Stretching your muscles before sitting to meditate is a great way to get your blood flowing and focus. If desired, select a focal point. Some people meditate with their eyes closed, while others require a focal point. Yours could be a tranquil scene painted on a wall. Share your newfound desire to learn meditation with others. Those around you will respect your solitude if they know you need it, especially if it means a happier and healthier you. Maintain consistency in your meditation practices, and you'll be a pro before you know it.
Please stay tuned for more videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Visit our blog for more insights.